Hi, I'm Matt Warner, president of Atlas Network, where I lead our project Dignity Unbound. Dignity Unbound is about one big goal: ending poverty worldwide. Many of today's big aid programs fail because they are too top-down, and they are designed by outsiders looking in. We partner with 500 local nonprofits in nearly 100 countries, including the US. These are the groups that are transforming economic opportunities in favor of inclusive markets by securing economic rights for low-income communities. In this way, we are taking a stand for human dignity. We recognize that people living in low-income communities already know what they need. They need an opportunity to thrive. As a result of the pandemic, right now we risk losing historic gains in ending extreme poverty worldwide. We can't let that happen. We must act now to restore the power of choice to give everyone the best chance of navigating their way back to an enduring livelihood. When you support Dignity Unbound, your gift will support this effort to remove barriers to freedom and prosperity. I invite you to check out some of our success stories. These are not stories about poor people. These are about people with great dignity working to survive in their communities. They will inspire you with optimism, even in the midst of our global crisis. Positive change is possible. Will you help end global poverty? Will you join the human dignity revolution? Please support Dignity Unbound today.